Have you ever done 50 push-ups in a row, only to look in the mirror and wonder why your chest still looks flat? You're not alone. Most people think push-ups are the simplest exercise in the world. Just drop and go, right? But what if I told you almost everyone is doing them wrong? And worse. That wrong form is the reason your chest, shoulders, and triceps never grow, no matter how many reps you crank out. Today I'm going to show you the secret push-up form that actually builds muscle faster, the way athletes, trainers, and military pros do it. Because once you fix this, your push-ups will transform from a tiring chore into a mass-building weapon. Let's get into it. A few years ago, I trained a client named Rafi. When we started, he proudly told me he could do 100 push-ups a day. Every single day. But when he took off his shirt, I saw something surprising. His chest looked flat. No definition, no growth, just endurance. When he did his first set, I immediately saw the problem. His arms were flaring out like wings, hips sagging, chest barely an inch off the ground. He wasn't doing push-ups, he was doing joint punishment. So I stopped him mid-rep and said, "Rafi, you're not weak. You're just disconnected from the muscle you're supposed to be working." And that's where everything changed. Because once he learned this one form correction, his push-ups became harder, slower, and 10 times more effective. Within 6 weeks, he built a chest that finally looked like he trained it. That's what I'm going to teach you today. The exact method to turn every rep into real muscle growth. Section 1. The big lie about push-ups. Here's the truth. Nobody talks about. Push-ups aren't about how many you can do. They're about how you do each one. Because when your goal is to build muscle, not just survive a workout, you need tension, not just motion. Most people treat push-ups like cardio, fast, sloppy, and explosive. But muscle growth happens in control, in squeeze, and in intention. When you slow down, lock in, and feel your chest stretch and contract, you turn a basic body weight move into one of the most powerful chest builders in existence. So forget 100 push-ups a day. Let's talk about doing 20 perfect ones that actually change your body. Section 2. The secret form, the tension method. Here's the secret. Every great push-up starts from the core, not the arms. I call this the tension method, and it's what separates the rep counters from the muscle builders. Let's break it down step by step. 1. The setup hands, directly under your shoulders. Not wide, not narrow. Screw your palms into the floor like you're twisting open 2 jars. This activates your lats and stabilizes your shoulders, protecting your joints and forcing your chest to engage. 2. Body line. Engage your core and glutes until your body forms a straight line from head to heel. If someone placed a stick on your back, it shouldn't wobble. This isn't just posture, it's power transfer. Every push comes from a tight midsection. 3. The descent, negative phase. Lower yourself slowly, about 3 seconds down. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle from your body. This keeps tension on your chest and off your shoulders. Feel your chest stretch as you go down. When your chest is about an inch above the ground, pause. 4. The press, positive phase. Now instead of just pushing up, imagine you're pushing the floor away from you. Squeeze your chest together like you're trying to crush something between your pecs. That mental cue changes everything. 5. The lockout. At the top, don't relax. Stay tight, stay in tension. That's what turns one push-up into a muscle builder. Section 3. Why this builds muscle faster. Here's why this works like magic. When you move slower, your muscles spend more time under tension. TUT. That's the key driver of hypertrophy or muscle growth. By screwing your hands into the floor and engaging your core, you're not just pressing, you're activating multiple muscles at once. Chest, pectoralis major, front delts, triceps, serratus, anterior core stabilizers. That's compound activation, the kind your body loves to grow from. And when you add in the slow eccentric, the 3-second descent, you cause micro tears in the muscle fibers that rebuild stronger and thicker. So yes, you might be doing fewer reps, but each one builds twice the muscle. Section 4. The form checklist. Here's a quick way to test if your push-up form is truly muscle-building quality. Chest leads, not your head. Elbows 45 degrees from your body. Core tight, no hip sag or pike. 3 seconds down, 1 second up. Squeeze your chest at the top. If you can tick all 5 boxes, congratulations. You're not just doing push-ups anymore. You're sculpting your body rep by rep. Section 5. Common mistakes. 8:30, 9:30. Let's expose the 3 biggest push-up killers that ruin progress. Flaring elbows. This destroys your shoulder joints and kills chest activation. Half reps. Chest never reaches full stretch, which limits muscle growth. Bouncing off the floor. You're using momentum, not muscle. And the bonus mistake. No mind-muscle connection. If you don't feel your chest working, you're not training it. You're just moving up and down. Section 6. The fix and progression plan. All right, let's rebuild your push-up strength the right way. Here's your 3-step muscle-focused progression plan. Step 1. Slow form push-ups, 3-second descent. Start with 3 sets of 10 or 12 reps. Each rep per slow, controlled, full range of motion. Rest 60-90 seconds between sets. If it's too easy, slow it down even more. Step 2. Elevated push-ups. Place your hands on a platform or bench. Same form, same tension, but easier on your joints. This helps you build perfect mechanics. Step 3. Weighted push-ups. Advanced. Once 20 perfect reps feel smooth, add a backpack with a few books or plates. This increases resistance and keeps your muscles challenged. Your goal isn't to chase reps, it's to chase quality tension. Remember, 10 perfect reps, 50 lazy ones. Section 7. The mindset shift. This is where most beginners fail, not in strength, but in patience. Building muscle through bodyweight training takes discipline. It's about focusing on the feel of the muscle, not the number of the rep. Think of every push-up as a conversation with your body. Each one teaches you control, connection, and focus. When you stop trying to impress the mirror and start trying to improve your movement, that's when the mirror starts to impress you. Section 8. Bonus. 3 cues that change everything. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember these 3 cues. Push the floor away. Don't just rise up. Actively drive through your chest. Squeeze the floor together. Imagine your hands are sliding inward even if they don't move. Lead with your chest. Keep your head neutral and eyes slightly ahead, not looking down. Apply these, and your push-ups will finally feel like a chest workout, not an endurance test. Section 9. Real results. Remember Rafi from earlier? After 6 weeks of fixing his form, he could only do 25 push-ups, but his chest looked fuller, his arms thicker, and his posture stronger. He didn't just get stronger physically, he started believing in himself again. Because the truth is, push-ups aren't just about building a bigger chest. They build something deeper: discipline, control, and confidence. That's why I call this form the secret method. Because once you master it, you'll never go back to the old way. So if your push-ups have been stuck, try the tension method today. You'll feel the difference immediately. And if you found this helpful, drop a comment below with fix so I know you're leveling up. Hit that like button if you're serious about building muscle the smart way, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-based, motivational fitness content every week. Because we're not here to do more reps, we're here to do them right. See you in the next one.